All right, guys, this is the 80th hard request on the 2017 summer list that I made. So finishing the list, and it's Todd Rundgren, A Dream Goes On Forever, live version. Pretty cool. Let's take a listen. And then we start the verse. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this live version will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, something on there for everyone, even if you are a complete beginner. I have lessons for you, starting out at square one. Everyone's got to start somewhere, right? And we'll get going here with this lesson. Check me out on Facebook. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. All right, we start out with right hand on D, F, B flat, left hand on a G. 2 counts on that, or 2 counts total. 1, 2, count 3. We go to A on the left hand, A octave, and the right hand will have A, D, E, G, 1, 2, 3, 5. And then we'll change that D, drop it down to a C sharp, dun, dun. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we go to D minor 7. This was a G minor 7, and that was an A7. And then we have D minor 7. Lots of sevenths in Todd's playing. CFA left hand on a D. D minor 7. 1, 2, 3. So here we have A, B, D, E. 1, 2, 4, 5. And then we'll just drop that A down to G sharp with the thumb. Left hand on E. So the first 2 measures time together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. We go to A minor 7, E, G, C in the right. We're moving up. Left hand on an A. 2, count 3. We're going to play that C chord again on the right, but the left hand will move to a D octave. Then we'll go, drop it down to D, F sharp, B. Okay, which makes it a B minor chord. Then 1 more B minor. So that measure is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to go. So don't pedal it to death because we need those little spaces. You don't want to go. You don't want that. You want little spaces in there. CFA on the right, left hand on a G. Several ways you could call that chord. I'm just going to call it an F chord over a G pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's an 8 there, and it's not 8 quarter notes, it's 8 eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The left hand G, let's give it a on count 1, 2, 3, and on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 4, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the whole intro again. 1 and 2 and ready and play. 6, 7, 8. There we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that part 1 lesson. And I'll see you on webpianoteacher.com, and we'll finish it up. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.